Why I deleted all the video clips. Why recorded a YouTube video today for my future uploads, but I deleted all of them. What was the reason why I did such thing? Okay, in today's video, you have to listen carefully because you will find a smooth transition from B2 to C2, means from an intermediate to advanced English. I will be using high vocabulary, better phrases, and better sentences slowly. Means initially it will be intermediate. After a point of time, you will see that vocabulary level has rise. The sentence phrases has become better. Are we clear? Are we on the same path? I thought recording video outside would be easy. Not many creators do it. But I could not have been more wrong. That's when I realized something. The videos we casually watch are often represent hours of hard work, patience, and effort. The moment I stepped out of my home, I felt every eye was on me. Some people were looking at me out of curiosity, while others were amazed, and a few were skeptical. They were confused on their own. Thinking now about that moment, I feel their actions were quite understandable because even now, moving out, talking to the camera, and speaking to the camera, looking at the phone is not very common. I know a lot of people have experienced this, and a lot of the generation has gotten comfortable with all of this, but few are still unaware. Few are still not happily accepted the way the youth is having a conversation with camera or phone. So it's the mixed reaction which I came across, as it was my first time too. But hopefully next time I'm stepping out with more confidence, with more courage. See, deleting videos were not admission of failure. It was a very conscious decision. I have prioritized growth over mediocrity. And that's what, at the moment when we are forming or curating YouTube video or any form of social media platform, we are creating videos, we need to prioritize quality rather than just we have created one, I have to post it. No, we need to prioritize our growth. Tomorrow I will head out again, but not to repeat the attempt, but to produce the version which reflect my vision. Like today, I was shooting inside my home. Just imagine what could have happened if I had been outside at that moment. I would have been drenched in the rain, and all my hard work would have gone in vain. Why? Let's quickly go out and see. Just look at the weather. It's raining cats and dogs. At the moment, luckily, I am shooting this video from the comfort of my home. Had I been outside, today's shoot would have been completely ruined. But people who are struggling out there have to stop their video because of this heavy torrential rain. Filming Inside home comes its own set of challenges, but those challenges are familiar. We can handle them. You know your surrounding, you know the distraction, and to a certain extent, you know how to deal with this surrounding and distraction. Even if your family members interrupt you, that is something you can anticipate and manage. On the other hand, filming outdoor is entirely different experience. Suddenly, you are dealing with the strangers, variables who are beyond your control. You cannot expect stranger to stop their lives because you want to record. Everyone is busy. Everyone has somewhere to be. And world keeps moving regardless of your camera. That's why creating content in the heart of the bustling city require a lot more courage, patience, and deep analysis. You have to seize every opportunity, adapt, change as per the situation immediately, and capture your videos as efficient as possible. Focus on growth, on valuable content rather than mediocrity.